Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make long-lasting foundation. First, begin with a clean, hydrated canvas. Thoroughly cleanse your face, then apply a lightweight moisturizer to create a smooth base. Next, use a high-quality primer. A good primer acts as a barrier, minimizing pores and creating an even surface for your foundation, helping it adhere better and last for many hours, often up to 16 hours. For application, less is often more. Start with a small amount of foundation, about a pea-sized drop, and apply it in thin, even layers. Using a damp beauty sponge or a dense brush, gently press the product into your skin. This technique helps the foundation meld with your skin, preventing it from sitting on top and looking cakey. Build up coverage gradually in areas that need it most, ensuring a natural, long-wearing finish. To truly lock in your foundation, setting is crucial. After applying your foundation, lightly dust a translucent setting powder over your entire face, paying extra attention to your T-zone and any areas prone to oiliness. Use a fluffy brush and a light hand to avoid a heavy look. Finally, mist your face with a high-performance setting spray. This step creates a protective layer, ensuring your foundation stays put for up to 12 hours without creasing or fading. Even with the best application, a little maintenance can go a long way. Throughout the day, if you notice any shine, gently blot your skin with oil-absorbing sheets. These are much better than adding more powder, which can build up. Try to avoid touching your face unnecessarily, as this can transfer oils and disrupt your foundation. For minor touch-ups, a small amount of pressed powder can be used sparingly on specific areas, keeping your complexion fresh for many hours.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.